We're the Scream Team, and this is the Creeper.
When you're playing Minecraft and you're in the mine shaft, do the Creeper. Do the Creeper. When a player finds a node and you wanna explode, do the Creeper. Do the Creeper. Well, we got a new dance for when you're digging deeper. It's real easy to do, and it's called the Creeper. You run to and fro like you're ready to blow, then you jump up and down, get me out of this hole. Now you think you're so cool cause you got a mine cart, but then I come along and I blow it apart. Hey, you thought it was tough, you had to deal with griefers? From behind the trees appears a bunch of us creepers. When you see a pickaxe and you wanna be an ass, do the Creeper. Do the Creeper.
When things are looking dire cause your place is on fire, do the Creeper. Do the Creeper.
When you're struck by lightning and you feel like fighting, do the Creeper. Do the Creeper.
So jump up then down, then blow up this whole town,
And do the Creeper. Do the Creeper.